What's up, fellas? So you saw the other day I mounted the battery chargers. I'm trying to point to them. I mounted the battery chargers and I got some space above it. A couple months ago, my wife and good friend of mine, Josh, they got together and thought of an idea of a little gift to me. Josh is not on YouTube, but you've seen him on some of the videos. Kind of looks like Santa Claus. I had this piece of maple that was laying around in my garage, and he's a wood turner. So I gave it to him and I said, hey, look at this grain, look at this color. It's pretty cool. It didn't look like this when I gave it to him. It was just a log, or a piece of firewood, in fact. You know, to me, it looked really cool. So I asked him, can you do something with it? And he made me a drink or a beer holder. So he took a Miller Lite can, and that's size. This is sized according to that. And then this is for a beer bottle or one or the other. Anyway, something like that. So since I have space above the battery chargers, thanks, Josh. Now I got a spot for the drink holder. Really appreciate it. This thing is really cool. I love it. Condensation drip. That's what this is for. Same thing with that. Condensation behind the battery chargers. Not sure that's such a good idea. Anyway, thanks for watching. And I'm going to get at this and put you guys on time lapse because everything takes me a long time to do. So I'm going to use the same method as I did with the battery chargers. You know, using the painter's tape and lining everything up. So quick tip, I'm not sure if I've ever seen this before, but I haven't seen a lot of things. So anyway, you know, this was handmade, made at home. It's not made in a factory. So these keyways or keyholes, I'm not sure what you call these things, the mounting hooks, the depth that he drilled them at, I don't know if you can see that, the depth is, they vary because he did it by hand, right? So put tape. I put the screw in here first, marked it with the Sharpie, and then right where the Sharpie mark is, I put blue tape so I could see it when I'm drilling the, putting the screw in the piece of plywood. Each screw is different. This is the screw for the right side. This is the screw for the left side. So at least I'll know, like, you know, how deep to drill these in. Oh, of course. Of course I didn't measure. Why would I measure? I say that looks pretty good.